In this box is a MacBook Pro coming straight from BackMarket. About 2 weeks ago, I ordered a MacBook Pro from BackMarket. I received it about a week ago, or I've had about a week to test and play around with it, and this whole video was edited using this MacBook Pro. So, in this box is the MacBook, and its specs are the M1 Pro chip with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 500 gigabytes of storage. It's a little heavy. Oh shit, it's really real. A little dusty, but this looks almost brand new. I have no problem with it. Also came with this Type-C to Type-C port. Was a little disappointed it wasn't Type-C to MagSafe, but that's okay. Also came with this big charging brick. So yeah, it's awesome. My god, look at that battery health. 90% maximum capacity. That is actually so good. That's better than my phone that I had for like a year and a half. This gets about 120 FPS with shaders and 700 without shaders. In Minecraft, it's crazy. So I've had this thing for about a week now. I've only noticed like 3 imperfections on it. So the most obvious one, for some reason, this like bottom area doesn't say MacBook Pro. They usually do. I guess the original person had the frame replaced or something. I mean, I don't know. The other thing, tiny scratch on this caps lock thing, where you see like right here, that's a scratch of the paint coming off. And finally, there's a scratch in this corner. Yeah, it's really tiny. Hard to see on recording, but that thing that looks like a tiny piece of hair, that's a scratch. Other than that, it's been like completely perfect. Like everything works. I can like use the fingerprint. All these ports work. All those ports work. You know, it's a good laptop. And this thing was originally like $2,000. And the fact that I got it for only $700 after tax is like pretty impressive. So yeah.